Adding testimonials to your WordPress website helps you show social proof and boost your brand's credibility. And that's why so many businesses display multiple testimonials across their website pages. In this video, I'll show you how to add testimonials to WordPress pages easily. Everyone here at SeedProd loves having you part of the community, so please subscribe, like the video, and hit the bell to be notified of future videos so you don't miss our tutorials and important announcements. So the first thing you want to do is come over to your WordPress dashboard and open a tab for seedprod.com or click the link in the description below. In this video, I'm going to be using the pro version of SeedProd. On the website, you can click on Get SeedProd on one of the buttons and select the account that makes the most sense for you. Now, after you have a SeedProd account, let's go ahead and click on Login. On the left-hand side, enter your email address and your password. Next, let's go ahead and click on the second tab here called Download, and let's click the button here to download the plugin. Also, we need the license key here on the left hand side. Let's go ahead and click the little icon here to copy that. We can go ahead and close this tab for now. In WordPress on the left hand side, let's go to Plugins and Add New. Up top, let's click on Upload Plugin, and here you'll see Choose File. You can click this to select the zip file that we just downloaded from your hard drive, or if you're using the same browser as I am, you can drag this here and drop it. Next, let's go ahead and click on Install Now and Activate Plugin. SeedProd's going to ask you for a license key. Let's go ahead and paste that right here and click Verify Key. If everything went well, you should see a green success message. If you're using the same browser as I am, you can close this tab at the bottom. Next, let's create our first landing page. So on the left-hand side, let's go under Pages under SeedProd in the menu. And here you'll see different modes that come with SeedProd. Today, we're just creating a new landing page. Let's go ahead and click on this. And next, SeedProd's going to ask you to choose for a new page template. And it comes with over 100 professionally designed, mobile-friendly landing page templates that you can import instantly. Or you can create one from a blank template. I'm going to use the search function here on the right-hand side and select one called Thrifty. This is the squeeze page, and click the little check mark here to add this. I'm just going to give this a page name. For this example, I'm just going to call it Testimonials. Now let's go ahead and click on Save and start editing the page. On the right-hand side, you'll see the SeedProd page builder. All of the boxes here are outlined. These are your sections, your rows, your columns, and your blocks. Blocks are elements that you can add to your page from dragging them from the left-hand side. We have our standard blocks here, such as buttons and images and videos and more, plus our advanced blocks as well. So nav menus, accordions, Facebook comments, etc. We also have WooCommerce that you can add, but we don't have WooCommerce installed today, so they are grayed out. So let's go ahead and actually add some testimonials to our page quickly. On the right-hand side here, we have this nice squeeze page. We have an email opt-in. We have this little section here that is some white space that we could add testimonials into. On the left-hand side, we can search for testimonials. We have a little search blocks here. So here under advanced, we have testimonials. We can just take this and drag it right into our page. We instantly have testimonials. To delete a block, you can just hover over the icons here and select the little delete block trash can. I'll get rid of this piece of text. And there we go. We have our testimonials into our page. To modify a block, you simply click on the cogwheel here for the block settings. You'll notice here on the left-hand side, we now have block settings that we can edit for this specific block. So right now we have one testimonial. This is the greatest thing since sliced bread by John Smith, CEO, and you can add an avatar or profile picture. So here you can click on the name, and this will be the person's name, and then their quote here or testimonial. So here you can add an image. For this example, I'm just going to use a stock image, but you can upload your own images of people's profiles as well. I'll click on stock image and search for a person, and I'll just select one of these randomly. And there we go. We now have a picture of a person in our testimonials. To add a new one, we simply click on Add Testimonial here. We can update the text. Here we can add another image for this person's profile. We can change their name here and their title or position with their company. And that's it. You just simply added another testimonial here. Let's minimize this, and you can continue to add more. You may have noticed when you add more than one, you now have a carousel here. This is where they'll go through and you can see multiple in one little section. This is great for saving space. If you want one on top of another, you could simply add a second or third testimonial block. You can also on the left-hand side here change the alignment. So here's center or right side. I'll leave this to the left. You can enable or disable the comment bubble. This is just the white background behind here. And down here we have the carousel settings. So you can change the navigation. So if you have a dark background, you could use the white. We're going to leave this to the dark here. And next we have it set to autoplay. So every 5 seconds, this will go through each testimonial. Under advanced, we have different topography, color, name topography, and name color options. So for example, if you want to change the name color to red, you could go ahead and do that. I'll go ahead and change this to maybe a darker blue. We also have spacing, so you can change the top margin if you want a little bit of spacing there. Some padding around the element. So if I change this to 50, for example, you'll see 50 on all sides here, or you can change that to individual sides. And device visibility. So if you don't want this to show on desktop, you could hide that. Or if you don't want it to show on mobile, you could hide that. And that's all there is to adding testimonials to your page. You could continue to edit all of the text and the elements. For example, here's a logo, so you could change that image. Here's a profile picture, some text. You just simply click on the block settings and update the block on the left-hand side. We also have global settings here on the bottom left-hand side. So if you click on this, you can edit the fonts and colors, background, and custom CSS for the whole page. So under fonts, we have these two header fonts and body text fonts. So if I click a random one here, you'll see that the header font is updated and the body text is updated as well. If you need help picking fonts, you can click on font themes, and these are pre-made matches. So you can just simply click on one and those are paired together and updated on the page. Same thing with colors. You can change the header, text, buttons, or links or background. And if you need help, you can click on the color palettes here to select a random one here. So I'll just pick another blue one. You can see how that is updated here instantly. If you made a mistake, you can click the undo button here on the left, or we have the redo as well. So let's undo that. And we also have the mobile preview, so you can see what it'll look like on mobile devices. You might see a opt-in form here to collect people's names and email addresses, and you can connect this to your favorite third-party email marketing services. So if we click on connect here on the top, here you can see different email marketing services. So for example, if you want to connect to Constant Contact, you can click on connect and create a new account. And once you have an account with Constant Contact, they will provide you with an API key that you can paste in here. If you need help finding your API key, please contact their support. After you paste that in here, you can get an optional connection name and you can click connect. And now all of your emails will be managed by that third-party email marketing service. And lastly, we have the page settings tab where we can manage our general settings, SEO, analytics, scripts, and custom domain. Under general, we can change the page name, the URL, the page status from draft to publish. You can show a powered by SpeedProd link. This will be a button in the bottom right-hand corner. And you can join our affiliate program to get a 20% commission on all sales. Just simply paste your link in here. You can enable isolation mode, and this will help prevent conflicts with your theme or other plugins if you're having any. If you have any Facebook blocks that you're using, you can paste your Facebook app ID in here. Under SEO, we have some basic options here for SEO title, description, your fave icon, social media thumbnail. And if you want to enable no index, if this is enabled, this means that most popular search engines will not index your page. Under scripts, you can paste in some header, body, and footer scripts. And under custom domain, you can set up a custom domain like mynewdomain.com, which will point to the full URL of this landing page. And there's instructions here on how to set this up with the documentation. All right, lastly, let's go ahead and save our page here and click the little down arrow here to publish our page. Next, we can see our live page. And there we go. We can see our testimonials page here. And on the bottom right, you'll see that this is slowly going through with the carousel with our two testimonials that we added in here every 5 seconds. Or they could manually click the little dots here or the arrows to go left or right. That's it. That's how you add testimonials to your WordPress pages. Now that you know about how to add testimonials to WordPress pages, maybe you'd like to check out this video on our theme builder overview, which will show you how to create complete WordPress themes from scratch with no coding at all. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.